honest review. First thing you need to do is twist it to open it, and you'll have to install 6 AAA batteries. After that, you just pull the top off, and here you'll pour in your pepper. I don't have any peppercorn, so I'm going to try coriander. And I'm going to make a mess doing it. Oh, that should be good. Do that. You'll have to line up the conductors here, if that's the right word. Putting it back together and twist. You notice here is that you're able to twist to make finer grinds and larger grinds. So you just push the button and no, it's not working. It's working early. When the batteries came loose. There we go. Okay. So just when the batteries come loose. And as you can see, it's also got this handy little flashlight so you can see exactly what's coming out. Or you can make dinner in the dark. So if we want it finer, we'll twist here and you can see it's coming up a little finer. So, you can't really see it. There we go. So, overall, I think it's pretty good. I like it and I'm very happy that I received this in order to review it.